Greetings everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to Crypto Gains. The market is neutral at the moment. We just had a small correction a few moments ago. I think it's time for altcoins to lead the way and grow. Yesterday's correction as well lasted just a few hours and it has returned back on track. Now let's check some news. Bitcoin dominance rate breaks out. I know we have followed this particular news in the past as well. It seems that it passed the levels from last week, therefore let's say a bullish spike from Bitcoin is plausible. Mathematically and logically, the Bitcoin rate is higher than last week, so we could see Bitcoin at the 45,000 mark and maybe pass it in the very close future. This is the dominance rate right here. This was the correction from last week and look where we are right now, and hopefully this let's say increase in the rate will skyrocket the price for Bitcoin and many other altcoins as well. And also Ether, Denver, world largest Web3 blockchain conference, had a kickoff. We have seen Colorado's governor stating that he wants to have the first digital state. It seems that Texas has competition right now. So if more and more states adopt crypto, the more stability will provide to the market as well. I really like this governor, so hopefully he will be in a competition with the Texas governor. And of course, AVAX is looking to hit $100 resistance. We have mentioned this in our signals as well. Hopefully this will happen today or tomorrow. We're just a few steps away. Now let's check the charts. We will be discussing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course our Telegram community's pick. Top three are actually AVAX, TRX, and eGold. Of course, we will start off with Bitcoin first. Look at the levels that we have had yesterday. They have aimed perfectly. We can go long as soon as the price will move over this particular level, so we can enter long position at 43,550, take our first profit towards 44,270 with a stop loss to this level 43,560. If it falls underneath, and look, it has, let's say, tested this region and it almost hit our previous level, but if it drags and stays here, we can go in short 43,185 and take our profit towards 42,890 with a stop loss to this level 43,320. Now let's move over to Ethereum. Ethereum again is a little bit in trouble, but don't worry. We can go in longest. We can actually drag this resistance a little bit lower and we can place it over here. Why? Because it started at this point and now it started at this point. So we can go on long as soon as the price will move over 31.24, take our first take profit towards 31.68, 31.70, remove and aim higher towards the 32.10 area. A stop loss to this level, 3100 sharp, is more than enough. However, if it falls underneath, and look, it has tested this region, if it falls underneath this level, 30.55 is the right price to go short and take our profit towards 3000 sharp with a stop loss to this level in case the price will come back to 30.76. Now let's move over to AVAX, our first Telegram community pick, and look at the levels. They have aimed perfectly. Actually, we predicted this in the past in our signals. For those of you who are in our signals restricted Telegram group, a higher bottom every time, and look, it is trying to, let's say, bounce over. So we can go along as soon as we have the price moving up, after this point, 94.9, take our first profit towards 98.2, remove and aim towards the 100 and even more. A stop loss to this level, 94 sharp, is more than enough. If it falls underneath here, and look, it has rejected it, we can go in short at this level, 91.5, and take our first profit towards 88.3, remove and aim lower. Stop loss to this level, 92.7, 92.8 is more than enough. Now let's move over to TRX. Look at this amazing chart. I like it extremely because we have seen here a consolidation area, moved up, and now is consolidating here. So eventually it will break out from this particular pattern. So we can go in long. We can actually put this level a little bit lower. We can go in long on the safe side, of course, 0.066 and take our first profit towards 0.68 and remove and aim higher towards the 0.07 area with a stop loss to this level over here, 0.664. However, if it falls underneath here, and look, it has tested a few times, we can go in short, and of course we need to wait 30 20, 30, 40 seconds before opening a short position, because look, it can be a spike and we have lost our funds. So we can go short here 0.0655 and take our first profit towards 0.0649, remove and aim to this mid level 0.0642. A stop loss in case the price will pull back to 0.0658 is more than enough. However, I think it will try to do some sideways trading. You can check this particular pattern I have made. Actually, the pattern was made for this level, so you can use this pattern, and I think you can earn more funds by doing the sideways trading. At least 2 times it will try to hit it, reject it, and come back down, and then moving forward up. Exactly what it has happened over here in the past. Now let's move over to Eagle. Eagles had an incredible run. We all know about it. However, look at this consolidation over here. We know about their listing on other exchanges, and this has created a big spike last week. For today, we can go long as soon as we have a breach over this point, 199.6, and take our first profit towards 205 with the stop loss to this level, 197. However, if it falls underneath this support line over here, we can go in short 184 and take our first profit to 176, of course with a stop loss to this level 186.3. However, I think it will create some sort of let's say a sideways trading, and the support line will be moved around this place and we can gain more, and of course hope for a breach once again. Don't worry, all of the entry points can be identified on this video. Also, make sure to check our daily videos, which will be issued from Monday to Friday at 3 p.m. CET. Also, you can actually access these videos by checking the More button. And of course, grant yourself access to our restricted group. You'll receive my signals as well as our incredible algorithm signals. A lot of money to be made. Thank you all for watching Crypto Games. My name is Alex, and remember, protect your investments at all times.